Honestly, if you want to get out of this storm, you can. You know what I mean? There's subways, there's places to shelter. Obviously, there's places that are organized, like shelters, like, you know, proper shelters. But if you just got to get out, you know, just go down to the MTA, go down to the subway. They've got a warm spot for you right there. I think the biggest thing is if this does hit like the previous week, go out there and shovel that snow as quickly as possible because nobody wants to fall again. So I definitely fell a few times myself.
Had it with the snow. This winter has been too cold, too snowy, too miserable. I'm ready for it to be over.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.